Hey everyone, and a huge welcome back to Own Your Beauty. Let's get straight to it. Have you ever scrolled your feed, seen that translucent glow, and thought, how do they do that? It's that luminous, poreless, dewy look that radiates health from within. Are you searching for that brighter, more vibrant face? A complexion as fresh as morning dew? Do you dream of that coveted shine? That mirror-like finish, without booking a fancy appointment, or spending your whole paycheck on a cabinet of complicated products? This one is for you. Busy students, working moms, everyday people who want to feel confident in their beautiful skin. I'm a beauty fanatic like you, finding game-changing tips that are simple, effective, accessible. Feeling good shouldn't be a luxury. It's about easy, practical ideas you can weave into daily life. Forget the 10-step, hour-long routines. We're talking real-world solutions for real-world people. So many of us look in the mirror and see tired, lackluster skin. It's frustrating when skin seems to lose its spark. Modern life stacks the odds against radiance. Restless nights, daily pollution, and dehydrating air conditioning. Sun exposure can leave uneven tone, and buildup of dead cells hides your glow. It's a battle we all face in some way. That feeling can weigh on your confidence. When your skin feels blah, you might feel blah too. It's natural to want quick, visible change, a mood boost with a glow boost. And that's okay to want. You deserve to see vibrance reflected back. Good news, no dramatic overhaul required. Small, consistent, gentle steps work with your skin. There's hope in a simple, effective approach. Skip harsh scrubs and heavy cover-ups. Now, let's unlock this Korean magic and walk through how to use it for a glass-like finish. Quick, gentle, incredibly effective. Safety first. Healthy skin is the priority. Always patch test new products. Apply a small drop to a discrete area, like inner arm or behind the ear. Wait a full 24 hours. If redness or itching occurs, stop. When in doubt, consult a dermatologist. Step 1. Cleanse for a perfect canvas. Remove dirt, oil, and leftover makeup. Use a mild, hydrating wash with lukewarm water, never hot. Massage in circles, then rinse thoroughly. Pat dry. Avoid harsh rubbing. Step 2. The star, Korean magic. Less is more. Dispense 1-2 drops onto clean fingertips. Warm it, then press. Don't rub. Into cheeks, forehead, chin, and nose. Avoid pulling the delicate eye area. Tap lightly. Let it sink in. Feel your skin soften and drink it in. Step 3. Seal it in with a light moisturizer to lock hydration and keep skin supple. It prevents moisture loss and enhances the dewy effect. Heading out? Sunscreen is non-negotiable. UV can undo progress and cause dullness and dark spots. Use broad-spectrum SPF every single day. Consistency is the real secret. Use this simple 3-step routine morning and night. A little goes a long way. Save product and money. Your bottle lasts longer. Be patient. Lasting results build over time. Skin health is a journey, not a race. Stick with it and watch that translucent glow emerge. Hydration starts within. Drink water and eat colorful produce. Prioritize sleep, your nightly skin repair. Wipe your phone daily and wash pillowcases often. Choose gentle care. Avoid micro tears from abrasive scrubs. Budget-friendly works. Look for hydrators like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Patch test, try travel sizes, and consult a dermatologist for persistent issues. At the end of the day, brighter skin is about more than a look. It's about celebrating and caring for the skin you're in. Healthy glow, not lighter skin tone, is the goal. Radiance reflects health, consistency, and habits. Take a few mindful moments each day. Own your beauty by embracing small, mindful steps. Be proud of the care you give yourself. Your skin is your story. Treat it with kindness. We share these tips to help you feel empowered, informed, and confident. Own Your Beauty is a judgment-free space to find what works for you. Try routines that resonate and fit your life. Always seek professional advice when needed. Share progress with people who uplift you. Your journey is unique. We're here to cheer you on. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss budget-friendly, effective tips. Your support helps our community grow. Join us and let's continue to own our beauty together. We can't wait to see you in the next one.